That's also one of the reasons why he puts in a Bronjal. Because Bronjal has a lot of energy with the way he plays. Oh, it's a 7-0 start pero matagal na. Mga 3 minutes na hindi umi-score dito ang ended.
Okay, samantala, Tres ang binitawan. Although mas marami ng mintis ngayon. Polly, uminto. Ni Lobo! Yes! Keep the rise coming. Keep the rise coming. Sigaw niya. Polly. Hindi na ako nagugulat. But it's such a thrill when you see that 3-point shot delivered. Old ABA added it to its game.
Oh, nice
scoop shot. And Polly.
So 3 natin on a Saturday. Kung walang playoff, it will start on a Friday na. Walang no range.
Oh, no distance. So too hard for Polly, huh? In the meantime, Polly tries to set himself up. And easy as pie.
Taga-elbow lang tinira.
Libre. Aray.
It's gonna be on Saturday, no? Between them and the Ginebra squad. Oh, Polly with a couple of interceptions in this ball game.
Sinetap yung sarili para dito! 30 sarado!
100 century mark. Yung kanyang tira na yun.
From the Big Dome, kasama ko ang ating best player of the game from the Magnolia Hotshots, Paul Lee, finishing with 26 big points, 6 out of 9 from the 3-point arc. Pero ang pinaka-importante sa kanya ay mapatahimik. Yung yung unika iha niya na umiyak. Bakit daw umiyak, Paul?
Nabigla yata.
First time sa TV. Paul, pag-usapan natin yung laro. Kasi you guys started pretty slow in this game. Same thing dito sa conference na to. 3 sunod-sunod na pagkatalo and then nagsunod-sunod naman yung pagkapanalo ninyo. What happened during the conference para you were able to turn things around?
Siguro yung siguro yung time namin na makapag-practice kami ulit ng matagal. So, yun siguro yung nakatulong sa amin. And then yung break after ng first 3 games namin. So, yun.
Doon bago ka umalis, si Coach Yengyao, parang hindi ka pinansin nung ninong mo.
Medyo masama yata yung loob sa akin. So yun. Pero alam naman niya yun na nag-game lang naman talaga. So, ginawa lang namin yung trabaho namin.
Ito na yung solusyon sa para umiiyak na anak, ang kanyang may bahay na si Ruby. And of course, meron ka mga gustong pasalamatan.
Pinapasalamatan ko lahat yung fans ng Magnolia Hotshots na nandyan lagi na nakasuporta sa amin. And then sa lahat ng fans ng PBA. Of course, yung parents ko sa Bulacan, yung mama ko may sakit ngayon, sana gumaling na siya, mapagaling ka. And then, yung buong taga-Tondo sa amin. So,
Congratulations, Paul Lee, best player ng ating laro.